What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's both exciting and not exciting at the same time. I am selling my Jeep Wrangler. I haven't had it that long, but I'm very excited because I have an exotic sports car on the way. I've been working on this for just over a month now. The car's located in California. I'm on the East Coast in the Carolinas, so it's been quite the process, and we're working on shipping at the moment. So in order to get that car, the Wrangler has to go. So in today's video, we're gonna put some of the stock parts back on it. If you are interested in this Wrangler, you can check out Champion Car Company. This will be on consignment with them. But like I just said, we're gonna put some of the stock parts back on just to make it a little bit more appealing. When I installed this grille, this is one thing that's going back to stock. That was kind of 50-50. You either loved it or you hated it. Along with some other parts that you'll see, and of course everything that I'm taking off will be for sale as well. So if you see something you're interested in, message us on Instagram so you can outfit your own Jeep, but let's go ahead and get this ready for sale. First up, we'll go ahead and get on the stock grille. And with the stock grille back on now, I actually have these grille inserts that we're gonna go ahead and put on. I never got to install these since I had that aftermarket grille, but I think it'll just give it a little bit more flair and blend in nicely with the front bumper. There's the new inserts, and I like it. This was,
That was really good.
Yeah, this was my original plan before I got that other grill. And like I said, I never got to put them on, so I'm digging it. I think that's a part of the Altitude package has these blacked out. I don't know what else has that. So we have a Sport S with some nice stock features. So next up, we are swapping out these rock sliders for the original OEM side steps. These may not be everyone's style, but I will have these for sale along with OEM Rubicon sliders. And this is a very simple swap, takes less than 2 minutes. Next up to go is these ditch lights. Now I have seen other YouTubers install lights like this on the exotic sports car that I have coming. So will this be a cool install on that car? Maybe, maybe not. And since this won't be featured on the channel anymore, we don't need to have the Bros for Speed sticker. Now that we're making our way to the back side of the Jeep, we went ahead and took off the Bros for Speed sticker. I need to go ahead and reinstall the Class 2 hitch. So this does come with a hitch. I took it off because I have a Tacoma and I just used that instead, and I had a little bit more clearance. But this bumper has a cutout, so I can reinstall this hitch, so you will have one. I'm also including the stock spare tire bracket. As you can see, I took that off right now with the wheels and tires that I have on it currently. I also have these stock wheels and tires for sale as well. They're practically brand new, so if you need a set of stock tires with the 5th wheel, send me a message on Instagram. A few more things to put back to stock in the rear. I have these stock taillights here. I love these aftermarket ones. They have a really nice dark look to them, and they illuminate really cool. It goes around the entire side here. They may be a little bit dark for some people's taste, but I'm gonna go ahead and put those back to stock along with the gas cap. And the last thing that's actually staying with the Jeep is this shelf on the back. It's really cool if you're gonna take this camping or tailgating, or you just need an extra workbench. It's something that was a pretty cool mod to install. So, like what, 15-20 minutes later, we have the Magnaflow exhaust all loosened up. This is a great sounding exhaust. It actually pops under higher RPM on acceleration. So if you want this kit, it's super nice. It's the high tuck or the rock crawler high tuck. It pretty much dumps right here, so it's still away from the cab, or you know, what's of the Jeep here, and it's not loud. It's a great daily driving exhaust. So now we just have to go ahead and remove it. Well, there we have it, getting the Jeep Wrangler ready for sale. So you'll see all these parts down here on the ground are for sale. We got the sliders, the Magnaflow exhaust, the grille, taillights, and even the gas cap cover, along with the ditch lights as well. So if you guys are interested in any of those parts for your own Jeep Wrangler, send us a message on Instagram. So you can see we have the Wrangler looking in tip-top shape. We have the nice grille that I'm actually digging. I kind of like it better than the solid black grille. I know that was a bit controversial. I wanted to put some red on that grille, but I knew I was selling it, so I wasn't going to get around to that. So the Jeep is coming with this bumper. It'll have the fender flares, the factory side steps, these really sweet RTX wheels, which I am going to miss. I wish I could put those on my Tacoma, but the bolt pattern is not right. We have the Nitto Ridge grapplers. They have about 7,000 miles on them or so they're still really good condition. This is a Sport S with the weather package, so it has the heated steering wheel, heated seats. We have the heated cloth seats as well. It has around 29,000 miles on it. We also get the patriotic American flag detail on the rear. It's also up underneath on the inner fender liners. And this has window tint. It's the XPEL XR Plus film. Definitely going to keep you protected from the heat. So there's the Jeep Wrangler. It's for sale right now while I wait for my exotic sports car. It's coming. I cannot wait. We're working on shipping right now. The Jeep was a fun project. You guys are really going to enjoy it, whoever is the next owner for this. It's super fun. In the summertime, taking the doors, the roof off. That was the most fun that I've ever had with an SUV and my first Wrangler. So maybe at one point I'll get another one, but I'm excited for what's next with my exotic sports car. I hope you guys are just as excited. Maybe a little sad to see the Wrangler go. It was definitely a lot of fun, but I'm gonna have a lot more fun with the next car. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up. Consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on what's new in the garage. We'll see you guys in the next video.